How many horsepower you think you're gonna make?
Bro, let me calculate. Carry the one. 700.
This thing is sick, man. What's up, guys? So we're finally here at Solo Motorsports. If you can see back right there. Yeah. So we're back. Well, we're here, I would say. Well, I've been here before. My buddy Jason's already talking to the guy inside, so we can really get this bad boy running. What you guys think is gonna be the horsepower relating to the dyno? It's a Mustang dyno, so it might be a little bit less than what it claims to be. It's supposed to be like 600 plus horsepower.
I ain't where I wanna be, but I'm close to it.
Just got another BMW here. It's an M3. Nice deck lid. Diffuser as well. I think that was it, but yeah, that's pretty clean. And they have a RS3 Nardo Gray. Nice gloss front lip. Don't know what wheels are these exactly. Yeah, man, whatever this guy is doing, man, I know he has some big things with this bad boy. Something tells me that that hole right there is gonna be something for intake. So they got like a 60 something Mustang right here. They got the RS Q8 Beastin. Interesting color. I don't know what color is this exactly, but I love it. Kind of looks like a wrap, but I think this is the real color right here. You already know you're always gonna have some kind of Hellcat in this place. So this sucker looks clean with the wide body. So good. So right now he's probably just setting everything up. Yard is secure on the dyno. He's just checking for anything he needs to know about, and then soon we're on our way.
I just give you the highest one, okay?
Yeah.
This one, that's good.
Yo guys, so bruh, he just hit 566. On max power is 577. Okay.
On the low side.
On the low side. That was, wow. That's a lot of power, man. It's supposed to hit around 600 range, like I said, but we're gonna see how much. But overall, man, it sounds really, really healthy.
So what are we looking at? That's torque, and that's horsepower. And you see on the dyno jet looking what?
628, the green one, you see?
Oh, 628.
Estimated dyno jet number.
And that would be to the wheels?
Yeah.
So 628 to the wheels.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
That's crazy.
Really healthy.
Yeah, this is the motor now.
In the motor?
Yeah.
That's why it's healthy.
It's in the motor. Look at that heat. You can see that heat there.
60-40 greasy is perfect.
Yeah. And a great position. Nice.
628.
I just want to do it, you know.
Yeah,
Number one, and that second one for loose power and let it cool down.
Yeah.
So how you feel, Jason? 628, bro. 630. Basically round it out. 630.
To the wheels, bro.
To the wheels.
I ain't playing games out here in the street. Jesus.
Oh my
God,
god.
that's crazy, man.
Bro, that's pretty cool. But yeah, man. I'm not gonna lie. Jason got himself into something really special, bro. This thing is sick, man. So check out how much of the horsepower he just gained. He just made. 6. Let me make sure I get back up here. Ugh. My zooming sucks. So the estimate dyno jet horsepower is 650. That is ridiculous right now. Woo. To the wheels, 636. Jesus.
Bro, I'm going to Mexico right now.
Yeah.
Who wants to smoke, bro? Who wants to smoke? Now I'm just playing. I need better tires in the back.
Yeah.
I ain't doing that.